In 2004, I had been assigned to a unit that was unlike any other unit I'd ever been assigned to. I didn't even know if I was ready, but I was about to find out. The unit I had been assigned to was unlike any other security forces unit I'd ever been at. The mission of this unit was to train for a combat environment and then go into a combat environment. We'd do that for several months, accomplish the mission, and then return back home and again start the cycle. Train for a combat environment and then deploy to a combat environment. So it was a very interesting unit. It was unlike anything else I'd ever been at. Along with it came some opportunities, however. We were allowed to go to a lot of Army schools, and if you know anything about the Army, most of their training is very physical. So one of the ways that our unit prepared us was to make sure that we were physically fit. We would endure this long physical training program, and at the end we would be tested. Now the Army standards for the school were a certain level, but our unit placed our standards a lot higher because we didn't want to be embarrassed whenever we went to this Army school. You know, that rivalry between services, it's real, but we know that we got each other's back when the time comes. So whenever you're ready to put your home on the market, it's the same thing. You want to make sure your home is prepared and you're ready to go to market so you're not embarrassed or so you know what's going to come ahead. Every buyer has the right to have an inspection done on your home. So why not head it off at the pass by getting your own inspection, and then you can either A, address those issues yourself, or at least have the knowledge that those issues exist, so when the potential buyer addresses them with you, you have a solution. There's a second benefit of having your own inspection. Whenever a person is buying a home, and if there's any kind of repairs that are requested, at that point, you must use a licensed technician in that field. For instance, if the HVAC, the heating, ventilation, and air conditioning needs to be serviced, well then at that point, it needs to be a licensed HVAC technician. If you do an inspection prior to anybody even making an offer on your house or even putting it on the market, now you can address those however you see fit. You could DIY them, or you can do whatever it is that you want to do. I would recommend that you still have a licensed professional come and check your work, but that's probably going to be less costly than if they did it themselves. So those are the two things, or the two benefits in getting an inspection. Whenever you're ready to put your home on the market, you want to make sure that you have the most smoothest transaction as possible. Being prepared, like our unit for this school, is of utmost importance. If you have any questions about home inspections or about getting your home ready to be put on the market, and you'd like my advice, you'd like for me to come over and take a look, just give me a call, drop your information down below, send me a personal message, whichever one you prefer, I'm there. Don't forget to like and share this video, share it with your friends and family, and if you know anybody that's ready to put a home on the market, I'd love to help them. Give me a call. Till next time, have a great day.